Okay, let's talk about libido. If you're over 40 and you could care less whether your partner ever touches you again, this is for you. Libido is so important. For women, it's related to energy, body view. Do you feel embarrassed about your body? I would hope not. What's your self-image? Are you unhappy with your weight? Are you really critical of yourself? If you are, you're not going to feel very playful with your clothes off. Let's talk about the hormone aspect of libido. The libido hormone really is testosterone, and testosterone is completely ignored in women in the traditional literature. There is no truly known optimal testosterone level for women. We don't know. It's just not studied because it's not going to save someone's life. Traditional medicine is really good at looking at life-threatening things, but not quality of life things. In a relationship, intimacy is so important. And libido's part of that. You shouldn't have to schedule time with your husband or your partner like a dental appointment. You should want to be intimate. And that's the goal. If you have a great guy in your life, that's fabulous. And if the kids are out of the house and finally you guys can be playful and intimate whenever you want, that's a great thing. And it feels like something is stolen if it's gone. Many women, not just some women, many women face this. So please know that you're not alone. But with testosterone, most doctors won't even check your levels. If they do, the range for free testosterone for women goes all the way down to almost zero. You got to be kidding me, right? You need some testosterone. Testosterone is anti-inflammatory. It helps your muscles. It helps your brain. It helps your decision making. It helps your libido. So important. If I have a patient, a woman come and see me who's concerned about lack of libido, I'll check a testosterone level. And if she's menopausal, low estrogen affects your lubrication down there. It takes it away. It disappears. The tissues thin out, lose their ability to self-lubricate, and eventually it actually becomes painful to try intimacy. And that's a big libido buster if it hurts. Estrogen's important for libido. What about progesterone? Well, two reasons to get progesterone. One is that if you have estrogen needs, you need progesterone to balance the estrogen. The other is progesterone helps you sleep better. And another libido buster is fatigue. If you're tired and you're not sleeping well at night and then you crawl in bed, the last thing you want to do is have somebody try to cuddle with you. You want to sleep. Progesterone helps relaxation, decreases anxiety, helps you sleep. Anxiety and fatigue, big libido busters. So if you've gone to your regular doctor and said something like, I don't want to have sex anymore, is there anything you can do for me? I would bet that the standard answer is, well, that's normal for your age. Libido naturally declines with age. Nothing we can do about it. Just suck it up, buttercup, and have sex anyway because he's your husband. Talk to your husband and maybe you guys have outgrown that. Don't accept that for your answer. You deserve more than that. But here's the thing. I'm the hormone locksmith and I know it takes more than hormones. If you are so stressed out, that's a big libido buster. Women, we are wired genetically and in the history of mankind. We're the ones that bear the children. We are the traditional child care people. And in our wiring, sex equals babies. Even if you can't have a baby anymore because you're menopausal or you've had a hysterectomy or you're on birth control, still, to your body's physiology, that's what it is. And if you are so stressed out and you have way too many things on your plate, the last thing your body knows you need is someone else depending on you. So it shuts down your libido as a protection mechanism. Inflammation, libido buster, brain inflammation, anxiety, relationship. Have an honest conversation about your relationship. If you don't feel appreciated, loved, and treasured, you're not going to want to be intimate. We're just wired that way. Please, let's optimize the hormones. Look at inflammation. Look at all the markers. Be kind to yourself. Work on stress reduction. Those are the things you need to have a healthy sex life for decades to come. If you find this helpful, please share with someone that needs to hear it.